Okay, question 1. We've got to find an equation of the line, so that gives away a method, and this is the information we're given, and we've got to give our answer in this form. So the equation of a line, you know we want to use the y minus y1 recipe, but before you're allowed to start with that, you need two things. You need a point, okay, and you need a gradient. Now we've actually got two different points, so you can use either one of those, but you'd probably be best advised to use the A they give you. Now the gradient we've got to work for, so the gradient, we've got to find the gradient of AB, which is a 2-point method. We've got the coordinates of A and the coordinates of B, so we need to do a subtraction divided by another subtraction to get a gradient. That's our value of m, and then you can use the y minus y1 recipe. Having done that, you obviously need to make sure you put your answer in the right form, and a, b and c have to be integers, so you need to eliminate all fractions. Okay. For part B, we need the length of AB, so that's the word to underline. The length recipe is another one of your 2-point methods, so quote the 2-point method for the length of the line between 2 points and put the numbers in, and here are the points you need. You should be fine. Now here we've got to find a point 2t, so we've got an x and a y, and AC is AB. Now AB we found in the previous part, so our answer to the last part is our AB. AC we can apply the 2-point method for a length, so the length AC is going to be worked out the same way as AB, and we equate that to the answer we got for AB, and we have to solve an equation to find the value of t. Now the fact that t is greater than 0 helps you find the correct solution. You'll actually have two possible values for t because you'll have a quadratic equation. Your equation will come in the form the square root of something is going to equal a number, so the square root of something will give you the AC. AB, you've already worked that out, which would have been as a square root in surd form, but the easiest thing to do with this is to square it straight away. So squaring both sides, you're going to get the thing inside this square root equals, and then the thing you got before, which was a surd or was in surd form, if you square that, you'll then be able to get your quadratic equation. So this comes from solving a quadratic, okay, and picking the solution where t is greater than 0. Now for D, we've got to find the area of triangle ABC. Now you've got a GCSE formula for the area of a triangle, which is half the base times the height. You know what it is. But in order to get the base and the height, you need to look at a diagram. So in these problem-solving coordinate geometry questions, a diagram is absolutely necessary, and from your diagram you'll be able to get your base and your height. Okay, the base may not always be a horizontal side. I mean, you might have a triangle that's arranged in a rotated form. So the fact that you have worked out the distance AB suggests that maybe, okay, you're not going to choose a base that's horizontal. But without working out the question, without drawing the triangle, you don't know that. Okay. Oh, in fact, look, C has got x coordinate 2 and B has got x coordinate 2. Now these points are not horizontally next to each other, but that looks to me like your base is definitely not going to be horizontal. But draw the diagram carefully and you should be all right.